Today, I'm going to show you how to print payroll checks in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, go to Payroll or Workers, depending on your layout. Then, select Employees. On the Employees page, look for Paycheck List and open it. This shows the paychecks that have already been created in QuickBooks Payroll. At the top of the list, use the filters if you need to find a specific paycheck. You can filter by date range or employee. Once you find the paycheck you want to print, check the employee name, pay date, and amount to make sure it is the correct one. If you are printing one paycheck, use the print option for that paycheck. If you want to print multiple paychecks, select the checkboxes beside the paychecks you need. Then click Print. QuickBooks will generate a preview in a new tab or window. Take a moment to review the employee names, amounts, and pay periods. Once everything looks correct, click the printer icon. Choose your printer and make sure your check stock is loaded correctly. Review the page size, orientation, and other print settings. Then click Print. And that's how to print payroll checks in QuickBooks Online in 2026.